That's how we Malayalis know you.
Yes.
For your famous role in Gangs of Wasseypur. Maybe the youth must have watched all the movies also. The other
Yes,
movies also.
yes. I mean, not
Jolly-
just Malayalis. I think the world saw me for the first time in Gangs of
Yeah.
Wasseypur. Yeah.
Yeah, after that you did Jolly LLB also. But before that, you were a model, right? So can you tell us something about your
Actually, my
years?
journey started in Delhi. I started doing lots of theatre. I used to work with Mr. Amir Raza Hussain, with Act 1 group, Mr. N.K. Sharma, and lots of school and college plays. And then when I moved to Bombay, I started doing lots of commercials, television commercials, and worked maybe for 1 or 2 years as a model. And while I was doing that, I did an ad for a mobile phone with Mr. Amir Khan that Mr. Anurag Kashyap directed. And that's how he cast me from Gangs of Wasseypur.
So how was that experience with Nawazuddin Siddiqui Saab?
You should ask him how was his experience with me. No, it was lovely. It was my first movie. Nawaz also was just starting out. There were so many actors and so many crew members, who were part of that film, who have, now they all are doing so well. I think it was a very special film, a very special moment in time where we all came together.
In that movie, he looks very nervous with you. Was he really nervous or was he acting?
I think he was acting. I think Nawaz is a very confident performer because he's such a good performer. I think his confidence comes from the fact that he is aware that he's such a good actor. It was an absolute treat and a delight to work with him.
So you have a history background also, right? You did a graduation from University of Delhi in history.
From Gargi College.
Gargi College, yeah. So nowadays there are a lot of movies being made with alternate history, like twisting the history and all. Are you careful when you accept the roles of?
I think so. I try and be careful. I don't want to be on the wrong side of history. I don't enjoy doing jingoistic films, nor do I enjoy watching them. I feel as an artist, we all have our own moral compass. I certainly have mine. And I want to tell stories that unite people. I want to tell stories that bring people together as opposed to stories that divide people.
आपको कभी-कभार आपको मिलता है ऐसे रोल जिसमें आपको ग्लैमरस होना पड़ता है या कभी-कभार आपको एकदम एक्टिंग में फोकस करने को मौका मिलता है. Do you like to do offbeat films or the main?
Both. I think both. To be the honest answer, that I think as an artist, I don't have an ideology about I only do certain kind of films. I feel as an artist, I want to do all kinds of films because for me, it's about the story. I pick films based on the story. If this story connects with me, if this story is depicting the human condition in an honest way, maybe the choice of genre, maybe the choice of scale the director has chosen would be ultra large, maybe the canvas is super large, maybe it's very small. But as long as I find something authentic in that story, in that storytelling, and I feel like, and it also keeps expanding your horizons as an artist.
मलयालम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से किसी ने आपको अप्रोच किया है रोल?
बहुत टाइम से नहीं किया है. I would really like to do films here.
Because we make some good movies here.
You make some very good movies, sir. Some of the best in the country, if I may say so. I'm a huge fan of Malayalam cinema.
So let's hope you'll come and act in some movies here.
Inshallah. Thank you so much.